Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to form an LLC in Florida. First, choose a unique LLC name that meets Florida naming requirements. Then, appoint a registered agent with a physical address in Florida. File articles of organization with the Florida Division of Corporations and pay the $125 fee. Next, create an operating agreement to define your LLC's management and structure. Now get an EIN from the IRS for tax and banking purposes. File your annual report between Jan 1 and May 1 with a $138.75 fee. Then, apply for any required local or state business licenses and permits. Open a business bank account to separate business and personal finances. Stay compliant with Florida regulations and submit required filings annually. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.